Today we're featuring the new 41 mpg 2021 Toyota RAV4 Limited Hybrid with available electronic all-wheel drive. The stylish front grille of the RAV4 is home to Toyota's pre-collision system and radar dynamic cruise control, both part of Toyota's Safety Sense, the innovative suite of active safety features designed to help avoid or mitigate accidents. Another feature of Toyota's Safety Sense are the automatic high beams integrated into the LED headlights with auto delay on-off feature, plus the integrated fog lights, LED daytime running lights, and accent lighting are designed to maximize visibility in all conditions. The chrome-accented color key door handles and liftgate integrate Toyota's Smart Key remote keyless entry system with lock, unlock, and panic functions and remote illuminated entry. The RAV4's height-adjustable rear power liftgate with jam protection allows for ease of use, and the LED taillights give the fastest braking notification possible. The color-keyed side mirrors incorporate blind spot monitor indicators and include rear cross traffic alert. This, along with lane-keeping technology in Toyota's Safety Sense, ensures the RAV4 will give you layers of safety features. Once inside, you'll notice the power tilt-slide moonroof with one-touch open-close. The 60-40 split rear seat reclines and folds flat to maximize cargo flexibility and passenger comfort. Additional rear seating options are also available, and the soft-text seating surfaces add luxury and ease of use for cleanup. The driver's area includes a 7-inch digital multi-information display, an 8-inch Toyota infotainment screen, and backup camera with dynamic grid lines. The RAV4 also comes with available in-cabin Wi-Fi. The tilt telescopic 3-spoke steering wheel includes hands-free controls for phone and audio, including SiriusXM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. This RAV4 Limited comes with a heated 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with 2-position memory function and lumbar support, and a heated 4-way adjustable front passenger seat. The spacious center console holds controls for the Eco, Normal, Sport, EV, or Trail drive modes. These settings allow you to personalize your driving experience to maximize fuel economy, as well as maximize the vehicle's all-wheel drive capabilities. The RAV4 Limited is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine. Yes, traditional gas or hybrid models are both available on the RAV4. Remember, every Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a complimentary maintenance program covering all factory-recommended service for 2 years or 25,000 miles, and roadside assistance for 2 years, regardless of mileage. Powered by efficiency, it's the new 2021 Toyota RAV4 Limited Hybrid. For any additional information or to schedule a test drive, please contact our sales team.